Everyone's gonna get a green one because we already did this before. So we're just doing it with the leftovers. So everyone get a green one out.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, don't put it in your mouth yet. Everybody gotta do it at the same time.
Okay.
We're not gonna turn the wheel since we all did this before already. So you ready?
What is it? What is it gonna be?
The green one is either I think juicy pear or booger.
And there's another green one, so.
Yeah, but it's for y'all. All y'all got a green one?
Yep.
No, y'all got it out of here?
Yep.
Okay.
We didn't get it out of there. We got it out of there. We got it out of this.
No, the one you're supposed to get was out of here. Oh well, just put in. You can use that one. At least it's all green.
1, 2, ready, go.
Did she say ew my booger?
I got boogers.
So
I
you-
got 2 pairs.
So you know how booger tastes? You just spit it out because they. What you got, Taryn?
Booger. I got juicy pear.
I got juicy pear.
Okay. The next one y'all gonna get. What color y'all wanna get next?
I want pink.
Okay, do the pink one.
Oh,
No, that's not bars.
What is this gonna
What
be?
is this?
Oh, the pink one gonna be Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Oh my god!
Okay, let's see what it is.
1, 2, ready, go. Ew, my
What you got?
I got sticky sauce.
I got tutti frutti.
You got a bad. Don't wipe it on your shirt. Your shirt gonna be smelling like it.
I got tutti frutti.
Okay, y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah!
Okay.
I want.
What color you want to get this time? Move, Melina.
Oh, I'm picking.
Okay.
I'm get the bottom one. The yellow one.
Okay, get it.
Oh no! Which one is this?
Everybody get it and I'll let you know. The yellow. Okay.
Next I have to pick.
So the yellow one is gonna be, let me see.
I don't want to smell this one.
It's gonna be rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Okay, I'm gonna get that ready. Oh my gosh, I never picked this one.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2.
Put it in your mouth. She put it in her mouth already. Put it in, Vita. You can't do that.
I got butter popcorn.
Put it in.
I got butter popcorn. I got butter popcorn.
Why?
Come on,
No, that was right here.
That was right there.
popcorn. I got butter popcorn.
Okay, Amina, you pick what kind they can pick this time.
Oh, okay. She gonna pick a bad one. The black bad. Mina!
Alright, pick black. At least y'all have to do it to the last. You can put something else in your mouth. Pick black. Taryn, you got it? Okay, y'all ready?
God.
Sit down. Don't nobody put it in their mouth yet.
I don't know.
Nobody put it in their mouth.
I gotta eat skunk spray.
Yes.
You ready?
Okay. That ready? 2. Hold up. 1, 2, ready, go.
Can't close your nose.
Hey, I got licorice.
Before I could smell it, I knew it.
I got licorice.
You got what you got? Sticky or licorice? Smell her breath. But I don't think she even know what she gets.
Smell, let me see. Let me smell your breath.
I got skunk spray. I got licorice. That's nasty.
Amina, go back over there.
I got licorice. I got licorice.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick first.
This Devaney turn.
Hey, yes, go.
Which one y'all want to do now?
I'm gonna double.
Move.
What is this?
I don't know.
Licorice.
Get it. You get one. She picked the peach one, y'all. So no, that's not what she picked. She picked peach. Here.
Barf, man.
Now go sit down. Don't put it in your mouth yet.
Okay.
Don't put it in your mouth yet.
What is it, barf or?
It's peach or bar.
Oh my god. I'm getting my bag.
Okay, one.
But y'all gotta chew it. You just can't spit it out.
I did too.
Chew so you know the flavor.
You did it. You fit out.
Melina, you did too.
Done?
Go.
I got peach too.
Yeah, I got peach.
Yes.
Why your face look like that? You really got sticky socks or a bar?
I got peach.
Let me smell your breath.
Okay.
Yummy bad one.
Now,
I'm picking one.
y'all have nothing but y'all did the green one already, so all you got left is the
Chocolate.
yes. Chocolate
Is dog food or what? Is dog food
pudding or chocolate pudding. Don't put it in your mouth yet.
Yeah.
This better be chocolate pudding, because I do not.
Don't put it in your mouth.
I don't want
And you can't just spit it out. You gotta chew.
Okay.
I think this is the worst one out of all of them.
I think skunk spray is the worst.
Yeah.
I had licorice.
Well, I never had skunk spray. I always had licorice. So
I had licorice.
okay, you ready?
First I had skunk spray.
1, 2, 3. Put it in your mouth. Chew.
Dog food.
No, you can't. No.
What's wrong?
Oh, I'm not doing this. I had dog food.
Huh?
I had dog food. Yeah, me too.
What you had, Amina?
Dog food. I'm not doing this no more.
What you had, Devony?
Dog food.
You want to play this game again, Mina?
No.
You?
No.
You?
No.
Huh?
No.
What about you, Dev? Oh, I smell it. Oh. It's so
I don't brush my
nasty.
teeth.
Yeah. One at a time. One at a time. Taryn, come here. Y'all gotta say bye.
Bye. Bye. That way I'm not you do.